G'day, how you going? Today I'm going to give you another tip on your steeling. So today we're going to look at making a steel for a rough steel. Some people got doing dirty jobs like legging real dirty cattle. You may want to use your steel fair bit rougher. Personally, I like to have it smoother, but for those of you, this is done for you if you like a rough steel, or you're running a two steel system, so you'll have a rough one and then your normal smooth one that's finished off at either 1000 grit or this 3000 grit diamond that we showed you earlier in another video. So I'm going to show you two versions. So this is going to be the real rough one. So put some lubricant on your steel. That's just a bit of Lanox. Get a bit of lube on it. So we've got some 320 grit. This is Rhino wet. Probably one of the better sandpaper or wet and dry papers. Can use Norton, and gonna just go one way really hard. Brand new piece. Right, go to another fresh piece of the paper. Squeezing it hard because you want it to cut in to the steel. Alright, so then going to wipe that off. A little bit more lube on it. And then going to go over it lightly just with some 1200, just to get rid of any of them little microscopic burrs that might have been created where we were cutting in with that rough 320 grit paper. Okay, and that would be it. But that steel now is really, it's quite rough, and you'd have to steel feather light, really light on that when you've got a steel set up like that. You start putting a bit of weight on it, you're just going to roll your edge over. Now, the way I used to like running a second steel, instead of using 320 grit, I would use 600 grit. So same deal, you'd get your 600 grit, cut them lines in it, go over it with just over the top of it, a bit of 1200 just to take them microscopic little burrs off it, and you'd use that when your knife's starting to go off. Light hit on your rough steel, and then go back to your normal use one. Okay, give that a try. You think that's going to help? And we'll see you next time. So make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.